What's going on, everyone? I want to highlight a trade I just took right now. Today is March the 26th, and the reason why I want to highlight this trade is it's still fresh on my mind and I can speak about it. Again, very simple trade. This is trading price action. It's not technically a strategy per se, but it's kind of reading the candlesticks, reading the overall flow of the market, and then trying to take a little bit of a scalp on some momentum. So what I'm looking at here is a 5-minute time frame. It's currently 10:45 in the morning, so this trade just happened about 5 minutes ago. What I was looking at here, there was some short opportunities. Again, I was playing the 1-minute time frame over here in this region. A flag opportunity to the downside, took a little bit of a scalp there. There was another flag opportunity here to the downside. Those aren't the trades I want to highlight. The trade I want to highlight was actually a long. It was a long for a quick 5 points on 2 mini contracts. So we locked in around $220 after everything was said and done by the time I got out of it. And it was right here. This candlestick is what I want you to pay attention to. Okay, so this doji is what I want you guys to focus on. Now, you don't get a lot of these setups a day. They're not going to be happening every 5-10 minutes. But sometimes when you get some breakdowns, okay, in this particular instance, we're talking about a short, that just kind of broke down. And the original breakdown spot from this move here happened at around between 8 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, right here. We lost this rising linear regression. We're trading below our 20 SMA, we're trading below our 5 SMA, and below our 50. And we put one leg down, we had a dead cat bounce. We put 2 legs down, I'm looking for a dead cat bounce. I normally like to look for these after 2-legged pullbacks. So if this is leg 1 and leg 2, I'm looking for some type of indicator to tell me, okay, let's try to fire away a scalp. Now, I'm not getting into a long position here, trying to get this to run all the way back up towards high of day. That's not what I'm doing. What I'm looking for here is something like this, okay? A doji candle, a hammer candle, something. And typically I want to see it sweep, meaning it sweeps the low of day and then aggressively wicks up. That's checkbox number 1. The second thing I want to see is I want to see us lose an area of demand and then quickly reclaim it. In this particular scenario, we lost the Bollinger Band, right? We lost the Bollinger Band here, and then we quickly reclaimed it. As soon as this candle closes, I'm waiting for the following candle to take out the high. My risk is down here at the bottom. Now, again, that's your max pain risk. This candle range is 24 points. For me, I'm not going to risk the full 24 points. I just know that below that wick, I'm going to lose 24 points. This is where my stop loss is going to be put. Now, I'm getting into the trade here, and I'm looking to trade this into supply. Okay? Now, depending on how far this away it is, I could get my 5 points here. And if I do the math for you, just looking at this here, the high of this candle was sitting at 20,101. Okay, so I want to be in somewhere over 20,101. The 5 SMA was sitting at 20,109. This is more than 5 points, guys. Just going on a simple scalp from a confirmation over this doji candle high into that 5 SMA. I don't even need it to come all the way up here. I don't need it to come here. I don't need it to come way up here. I just need to get 5 points. I need to get 5 points before it pretty much comes back down under these prices. Make sense? So look for these trades, look for these dojis, look for these hammer candles after 2-leg pullbacks. And you want to see big pullbacks, right? Big pullbacks. I'm not looking for, this type of pullback. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for the start of a move. I want to see a big leg. I want to see some consolidation. I want to see a second leg. And then I start looking for this here. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys want to trade with me, I did have someone join Evolution Traders last night, so I'm only down to 1 spot available left. Price has been slashed 50%. It's a one-time payment. If you want to join Evolution Traders, that link is down in the description box below to trade with myself in the community. Also, guys, Daytraders is 90% off. That code is down in the description box below. And Apex is still 80% off. Use code DAnthony. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.